Hi, my name is Pam Doneen, and in this video, I am going to show you some Nutrisystem dinners. That way, if you're thinking about doing Nutrisystem and you want to see what the food looks like, or you want some ideas on what to choose for dinners, this video should help you with that. It's not all of the dinners, but it is a good selection so that you would have an easier time picking your own. But before I show you what I've got for some dinners, if you could hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell, I would so appreciate it. So anyway, let's go take a look at what's for dinner. So what I'm having for dinner tonight is the ravioli formaggio, and I am having this spaghetti squash. It's a pretty small spaghetti squash, so I'm going to eat the whole thing. And I used the sauce from the ravioli on the spaghetti squash. So it's going to be really good. I've done this multiple times and I really like it. And then instead of a glass of wine, I am having this diet cranberry juice, which is only 5 calories for 8 ounces. So yeah, this is dinner and yum. I think this is going to be really good. For dinner tonight, I'm having this Salisbury steak with macaroni and cheese, and this is what it looks like. And then I'm having a salad with this raspberry dressing. I have 2 tablespoons for an extra, and also feta cheese for a power fuel, and then with my water. So this is dinner tonight. And I think I already know I like this one. For dinner tonight, I am having the Santa Fe style chicken, and I mixed it into a huge bowl of my vegetable soup. And I also had leftover cauliflower rice from the other night, so I put that in there as well because I am really hungry. I was pretty active really active actually, the last 3 days. So it kind of caught up to me. So this is, you can't really tell, this is a giant bowl. And this way I will get filled up. And then I'm having, instead of a glass of wine, I'm having the diet cranberry juice, which is 5 calories for 8 ounces. And anyway, this is dinner, and I know that I love this dinner, and I love having it this way. So I'm going to go eat this, and all will be good. What I'm having for dinner tonight is the chicken edamame bowl, and it looks like this. And I am having it with a stir fry of onion, garlic, carrots, pepper, broccoli, and mushrooms. And what I'm going to do is just mix them together, and I'm going to use some hot sauce, and I think it'll be really good. And I have a bottle of water. So this is dinner tonight. So what I'm having for dinner tonight is the chicken enchilada. I cooked it in the oven this time thinking it would be less mushy, but it was more mushy. So it's better off in the microwave, but it's just a little mushy for me. So I'm not loving this one because of that. But anyway, the vegetables, I put extra hot sauce on them to go with my enchilada, and I'll put hot sauce on my enchilada. So this is a dinner. Tonight for dinner, I'm having the Bistro style toasted ravioli, and it looks like this. And it says to cook it in a pan of oil and you fry it on the stovetop. But what I did is I used my air fryer. I put some of this avocado spray. I sprayed a little on the ravioli themselves and then some on the little burner in the air fryer. It's a 0-calorie spray. And the thing with this, I wish I had some marinara sauce to dip it in, but I don't. I wish they would have put like a little thing of dipping sauce in this. I think it would have been a lot nicer. And you definitely would want to put vegetables with this because it's 4 little raviolis. Doesn't seem super substantial. So what I did is I sauteed onions and zucchini, and then I added 1/4 of a cup of Parmesan cheese on top and melted it, which is a power fuel. And then, of course, I'm having my water. And anyway, this is dinner tonight. So I wanted to hop back on and say this was really good. It had a really good flavor. It was super crunchy. Like I said, I did it in my air fryer. I did it at 375 for 8 minutes, and after 4 minutes I turned them, and it was really good. Even though it didn't seem like a big dish, it was super good. So I like this one. I will get it again. For dinner tonight, what I'm having is the cheesy chicken casserole. And I cooked a big bag of this cauliflower rice, and I put 2 cups in it and stirred it around, and that makes it a huge bowl. And then I am finishing up my water for the day. So this is dinner, and I already know I like it. So yeah. What I'm having for dinner tonight is the roasted turkey medallions, and this is actually one of my favorite dinners. I really like this one, and I'm having it with asparagus, and I'm going to spray a little bit of I can't believe it's not butter, which is 0 calories. And then I'm also having it with 10 black olives. These olives, they're 5 and 15 calories for 5. So I'm having 10 for an extra. An extra is 10 to 35 calories. It kind of reminds me of Thanksgiving, and that's why I put olives with it. And then, of course, I have my water going. So yeah, this is one of my favorite dinners, the turkey medallions. So I'm going to go eat. Tonight for dinner, I'm having the rotini and meatballs, and it's a shelf-stable one. It has a really good flavor. I do like it. And I'm having it with an artichoke. And I like the artichoke leaves. I don't necessarily have to dip these in butter, but at the end of it, the last part, I will spray with the I can't believe it's not butter spray, which is the 0 calories. And then I have my water. So this is dinner tonight. So I thought I would have my husband demonstrate how to cut the artichoke when you get to the end, when you've eaten all the leaves, because they're really good, and I don't think a lot of people eat them. And our kids, when they were little, loved eating artichokes. They thought they were so fun. And we'd get like 3 artichokes for a family, and we'd just put them in the middle of the table and share them. And so anyway, you cut away that portion. I don't know what it's called. What is that called, Tim?
I don't know.
Like the flower?
I think it's the part that's growing from the inside.
Okay. It's going a little slower here, but we'll get it. But it was really fun to eat, and this was a really good one. And you don't necessarily need to eat them with butter. They have a really good, rich flavor. That's why I'm so surprised that they're like a non-starchy vegetable. So they're super good. Okay, so once you get all of that removed, then you just cut this portion into little slices. And then I'm going to spray this with I can't believe it's not butter. And that will be super good. So anyway, artichokes for dinner. For dinner tonight, I'm having the chicken Parmesan, which I really like this dinner. It's really good. And I'm having it with a side of broccoli. And on the broccoli, I put the I can't believe it's not butter, which is 0 calories. So this is a really good dinner. And I've had it before, and I will have it again. So I am going to go have dinner. Tonight for dinner, I'm having the creamy chicken Alfredo, and it is a shelf-stable meal, and it has a really good flavor. And what I did is I put it over a cup of cauliflower rice, so it really spreads it and makes it larger. And also I had it with a side of broccoli, And the broccoli I'm spraying with the I Can't Believe It's Not Butter, which is 0 calories. And then I'm having it with this diet cranberry juice, and 8 ounces is only 5 calories. So this is dinner tonight, and it is a good dinner. I like this one. What I'm having for dinner tonight is the chicken with lemon sauce, and I put it over a whole bunch of cauliflower rice. So that should be really filling. And then I'm having this healthy balanced cranberry juice, which is only 5 calories for 8 ounces. So I'm having that instead of a glass of wine, and I'm finishing up my water. So that is dinner. I just needed to hop back on here real quick and say this was a hit. My only complaint is I only ordered one. And putting it over the cauliflower rice, I put it over like, I don't know, 3 or 4 cups. And it had a good flavor all the way through. And so, yes, I'll be ordering that again. So I just wanted to say, yes, that's a yummy one. For dinner tonight, because it's my birthday, I am having Italian sausage turkey pepperoni pizza, and I had sauteed some onions, peppers, and mushrooms earlier today. So I topped it with that, as well as some artichoke hearts. And then I'm having a glass of the diet cranberry juice, which is only 5 calories for 8 ounces, and then I have that instead of wine. And then for my birthday cake tonight, because it's my birthday, I am having the lemon zest cake, which I really like the lemon zest cake. I think it's really good. So anyway, happy birthday to me. For dinner tonight, I am having the 4-cheese manicotti. And there is a ton of sauce on that, so not a shortage of sauce. And then I made a bunch of stir-fry vegetables, which is onion, garlic, peppers, mushrooms, carrots, and green beans. I think I got everything. And then I am having a cup of the cranberry juice, which it's gone. It's 8 ounces are only 5 calories. So this is what I am having for dinner tonight. For dinner tonight, I'm having the teriyaki chicken and Asian style noodles, which is here. And then I have a bunch of leftover stir-fry vegetables. So I am just going to mix these both together. And then I'm going to put a little hot sauce. I'm drinking my diet cranberry juice, 5 calories for 8 ounces, finishing up my water, and I am going to go eat my dinner. I think it looks wonderful. So what I have going tonight is I'm sauteing some onions, and then I'll throw in the zucchini to saute those. And I just used a little cooking spray, the nonstick, which you can do for free. And I've never had a problem with things sticking. So I will saute this, and then I will show you what I'm having for dinner. For dinner tonight, I'm having the ravioli formaggio, and I took the extra sauce and put it over the stir-fry zucchini and onions that I made. And there's plenty of sauce to put on both the ravioli and the stir-fry. And then I'm having a glass of the diet cranberry juice, only 5 calories for 8 ounces, and I drink that instead of a glass of wine. So this is dinner tonight. I hope this gave you some ideas for dinner, and it'll make your selection a little bit easier. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video. I so appreciate it. Again, if you could do like, subscribe, and notification bell, I would love it. So anyway, you have an amazing week, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you.